Hey everyone, it's Mick from Merch Factor here. Just want to make a quick video to show you how you can use Merch Factor Pro to quickly and easily make price changes on previously sold products. You might want to do this because part of your pricing strategy might be your pricing low and you want to wait for a few sales and then you want to put the price up and you need a way to sort of track that and do it in a more automated way, especially if you are selling quite a lot of t-shirts a day. So the first thing you want to do is open Merch Factor Pro software, log into your merch account. Everything's safe and secure. You want to go over to the sold products tab here. It's going to tell you that it's the tab for building a CSV file for your sold products data. So first thing you want to do is choose your marketplace. Select the dates. So I've already done 19th of the 6th to the 25th of the 6th. I want to get the data from all the sold products on this test account for those days. I can also collect the BSR here. So if that's turned on, the software will collect the BSR for that. And then all left to do is click go. The software will go out and collect that data. So it's going to give you back a CSV file with the products that have sold, how many items have sold, also the price, the listing price, the current listing price, and obviously the current BSR as of this point in time. So I'm just going to stop that for now because I've already done one previously. So once it's finished doing that, you're going to get a file like this. You're going to get this is a pretty standard CSV price change file for Merch Factor Pro, but it's going to contain the data of all your previously sold products for the date range you selected. So you can see you've got the columns up the top here of what each column is. You want to leave all this the same. You don't want to go deleting columns. You can delete rows out but not columns. So the most important things here, I guess, is the prices, how many units are sold, and the current BSR. So this will give you an idea of, based on whatever strategy you're implementing at the moment, you can sort this CSV file out and make your price changes accordingly. So for now, just as an example, I'm going to sort these from lowest to highest. I'm going to delete out the ones I don't want. Okay, I want to make changes to all these, so all my pop sockets here I might put up to $14.99. Just copy that down. All my t-shirts I'm going to put up a couple of dollars, see how they go. Just copy that down also. And that's all I'm going to do at this point in time. Some of them made some sales in the last week, so hopefully they keep selling again when I put the price up. Close the spreadsheet. Make sure you save it. Okay. So once you've done that, now you're ready to make the price changes. So all you do is come into this price changes tab here. You want to select the file you just finished working on. Click the upload file button. It's going to tell you there's 22 CSV rows in there. So we want to make all 22 of those price changes. So we type 22 in here. We click start and that's it. The software is going to go off and make all those price changes for us. All automated. It'll do it all one at a time. So you can see it working here a little bit. I'm not going to show the full screen because it is actual live products. But it is working, going pricing, changing prices. Now this will work on all products for both the multi-uploader and the single uploader now. So you can change prices for all products. So this is a great way for you to manage your current strategy, or if you have been thinking about implementing a price strategy, you can use Merch Factor Pro to easily implement that strategy over thousands and thousands of listings. So this will just keep running. You can see that it's working now. It's already done a couple of price changes. It's only at 9%. So this does go through and change prices like a human is going to on your dashboard. It's pretty much the only way you can do it at this point in time. But it is all automated, so you can just leave it and go off and do something else. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, you can always contact us via the Facebook page or in the comments below. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.